Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm a little late, but I wanted to show you the beautiful plants that Chris and I traded. These are the ones that she sent me, and that would be Chris from Chris's Garden Pile. I'll put her name across the screen. Um, First of all, she sent me this beautiful Epiprenum pinnatum. They're cuttings that she took off her mother plant, and they've got new shoots coming out right here. And then I also have another one, and it wasn't quite rooted, so I'm keeping her in water. But you can see she also has a new growth. She's growing her growth before she's growing her roots. Crazy plants. But I have another one that she sent me earlier in the year, and it's doing great. And she had these and wanted to know, did I want more? I was like, yeah, sure, because this is a gorgeous plant. They get holes and fenestrations in them. Absolutely gorgeous. I actually think I like them better than the Rapidophoras, but anyways, she also sent me a pink Syngonium. But I had to cut the leaves off. They got kind of wonky, so I cut them off. It didn't have a whole lot of roots, so I'm just going to keep it in water. They do seem to do better for me keeping them in water for a while, so that's what I'm going to do. And then remove. And then this is the other pink Syngonium that I got. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the color of this. It's like a berry. It's more of a berry color, I think, than it is pink, but I don't know. But that's absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait for this one to get bigger. And then I'm going to scoot, I guess, this over here. And then this one, this is a jungle boogie. I love this plant. I've always wanted one. I just never got one. I don't know why, but I just never did. But this was off of Crystal's mother plant. And I think the story was that she was taking it down to repot it or water it or something, and the top broke off. So she threw it in water, and it rooted out. It rooted out really nicely. Of course, you can't see it right now, but because I've got it potted up now. But this was actually two pieces, and absolutely gorgeous. I'm really, really happy to have this plant. I'll turn it around so you can see the back of it. It is actually two pieces. There's one, and then there's one. So very, very excited about having this plant. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait. Well, actually, I can't wait for it to get bigger because these things get huge. But I'll be happy with it staying little for a while. I'll just be happy when it puts on a little more growth. And absolutely gorgeous. I love the toothy leaves on it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. But alright, and then the last plant that she sent me that another one that I'm really, really excited about is, and I still cannot believe that she sent this to me. This is a Philodendron mamie, and see the beautiful leaves on it. Oh, let me tip my camera up just a little more. There you go. You can see the beautiful leaf color on it. I'll zoom in. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. But this was a plant that she actually won, I believe, on Instagram. She's had it since last winter, I think, or maybe late summer. I don't remember. But she just was not having any luck with it. And I was talking to her and I kept saying, oh, I found a mamie, I want to get a mamie. And I really like the silver and I really love the green one also. And she was like, well, I will send you mine because I'm not having no luck with it. I think it needs some more humidity. And she lives in a really dry area, so she doesn't really have a whole lot of humidity. I kept telling her, no, just put it in your bathroom, or, you know, try cutting it and propagating it, and then maybe it will grow better for you, because sometimes that's all it takes to get a plant going if you're struggling with it, is to just cut it, propagate it, and it takes off. And you can see it's got a new growth coming out right here. Right here's the new growth. So I'm real excited about that. And you can see, I mean, it was giving her some issues, but you know what? I hear people complain about this plant. It's just another one that, you know, sometimes will give you a really rough time for a while. So, you know, it is what it is, but I am very, very happy to have her in my collection, and I cannot wait. This was the leaf that it was unfurling when she sent it to me. You can see it got a little wonky. It's very wonky. But I'm hoping this new one comes out and is fine. So, alright guys, so that is it. I'm very, very happy with all the plants that she sent me. And she kept feeling really bad because, oh, I'm only sending you plants. But, you know, that, I have so many plants, and I'm being very picky, not trying to be snobby or nothing, but I'm being very, very picky on the plants that I am getting. They're either plants that, I love philodendrons. You guys know that. If you've been watching me long enough, you know I love philodendrons. I have tons and tons of philodendrons. And I love anthuriums. But, you know, like this mamie, this was a wish list plant. I still can't believe that I have her. I still can't believe that Chris gave her to me. I would not give up this plant, but, you know, and like the Jungle Boogie, I've always wanted the Jungle Boogie, but I've never seen it around here, you know, like at my Walmart or home, Lowe's or anything like that, so I just never really wanted to order one. There were other plants that I wanted, so, and this Epiprenum panatum, I can never say that word. You know, that is a gorgeous plant. Someday here soon, I am going to do an update on that plant that she sent me this summer, because it has grown massive. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous plant, and I love it. It gets little holes all through it. Looks like little pin marks. And then the holes just get bigger and bigger as the plant expands. It's gorgeous. But, alright guys, so that is my plant trade haul from Chris. Put her up here. And Chris, I want to thank you once again. I love all the plants you sent me. And I am going to let you guys go, and I will talk to you later. Bye!